Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fuzzy Easter Bunny Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to use two of the stackable eggs from the Dollar Tree. I picked up the white ones because I thought it would be easier. I wanted to make a white fluffy bunny, and we're just going to use the bottom two to make a large Easter bunny. For the fur, I'm using the microfiber mop heads from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cover both sections with this and make this into a really cute little bunny that we can decorate for Easter. It's so sweet. I absolutely love how this project turned out. I'm just using the mop heads vertically. I found it a little bit easier to work with the shape of the egg. And I'm just going to cut off the excess when I get down to the bottom. It does shed a lot, so be prepared for that when you cut the stuff. And then I'm going to do them side by side like this. They really blend in together really well, and it's a great way to have some faux fur from the Dollar Tree, but you're definitely going to need quite a few of these for this project. I'm pretty sure I used a total of 9. This is going to be a pretty large bunny. If you wanted to make a smaller bunny, you could use the two top pieces of the eggs and you would have a way smaller bunny, but this is what worked for me. Now, since it is wider at the bottom, I do have a bigger gap there. So using the scrap pieces, I am going to fill in the rest of the bottom, just cutting 2 more strips. And I wanted to make sure that I didn't go too high. I want them still to snap together well when I go to snap the first egg on. We're going to add a bunny tail. This is a little backpack clip that I found at the Dollar Tree. That's a little furry tail, and I thought that would be perfect since it's pink. Now for the top of the bunny, I'm using the middle egg and some bunny ears from Dollar Tree. I just wedge them in the hole like that. No need to take them apart or attach them. They do stick out a little bit to the side, and they're a little bit smaller than I would like, but if you had access to some bigger ones, it might look a little better, but I wanted to go all Dollar Tree on mine, so I was able to make it work. When I'm adding these microfiber mop heads to the top egg, I'm making sure on the front and back pieces to go all the way to the top to cover that hole on the top of the eggs. And then again, I'm trimming everything on the back. I do have a little bit of skinnier space at the top, so I trimmed that piece down so my last piece would fit really well in here to cover the entire bunny. 4 on the top, 5 on the bottom. And we have a fluffy bunny. I do want to add some features though, and I thought it would be easier to do while they were popped apart. The first thing I'm going to do is DIY a little bunny nose using some of the macrame cord from the Dollar Tree in white. I just put some hot glue down on my silicone mat in a triangular pattern, and I just went around and around gluing that to itself to make a cute little sewn nose, which I paint pink. For the eyes, I'm using black macrame cord. You could also use yarn for this. I think that would work really well. And again, I'm just doing a little patch of hot glue and wiring them around into a circle until we have 2 little eyes. I wanted to try to trim them up to make sure they were symmetrical, about the same size, and they look hand sewn, so they look really cool when you push these down into the fur. I'm just going to attach them with hot glue, pushing those down into the fur, the little bunny eyes, the bunny nose, and then for the mouth, I'm also going to use the black macrame cord from the Dollar Tree and just do a little J on this side and a little curve coming out on this side, attaching everything with hot glue. I decided not to do whiskers. I didn't really have anything to make those out of. For the bunny feet, I'm using the little felt bunny feet from the Dollar Tree, and I just hot glue those to the front of the bunny, 1 on each side. We've already done the tail, so now we're going to finish him off here with a Easter bow. I'm using some of this beautiful gingham ribbon from the Easter aisle at the Dollar Tree, and I just knot that around his neck, dovetailing the ends of the bow, and we're going to do a really easy faux bow just by taking this and looping it like that, and we can attach it to that form. It's just an easier way to make a bow. I just put it on there, and using a zip tie, I'm going to cinch it all together. This was such an easy DIY. It is so sweet. It looks really cute with the Easter eggs that I also crafted using those stackable Easter eggs. This is how he turned out. If you'd like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!